Hello, my dear children. I hope that you all must be fit and healthy. Dear children, today we are going to read a poem, The Rain. Children, The Rain is a beautiful poem written by W.H. Davis, who is a great admirer of nature. The poem describes symbolically the natural occurrence of rain. So, my dear children, let me read the poem. I hear leaves drinking rain, I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath. The poor beneath means the leaves growing lower on the tree, drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. Children, in this stanza, the poet says that the rain falls on the top of the dense foliage. These thick leaves drink the rainwater first, then pass it to the lower thin leaves, drop by drop. Children, the top thick leaves represents wealthy people who receive the majority of the blessings but give very little alms to the poor. Raindrop hitting the thick leaves of a tree creates soft music. It makes the poet happy. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark, round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. Children, in this stanza, the poet claims in the second stanza that when the rain stops, the sun will emerge from the clouds. It will light up everything, even the dark round raindrops. It will illuminate everything, including the dark round drops of rain. This will result in a lovely and pleasant scene. Here the poet wishes for the day when peace and equality will prevail in society. My dear children, the poet seems to be a true lover of nature. He gives the message of love, equality and brotherhood. Okay, children. So, dear children, let us do the exercises. Exercise 8, tick the correct answer. By the rich leaves on top, the poet means the leaves on the top get more rain than the ones below. Number 2, the sweet noise that the poet hears is the rain drops falling on the leaves. Number 3, by each dark round drop, the poet means each drop of rain on the leaves. Number 4, the poet hopes when the rain stops, the sun will shine brightly. Exercise C, tick the correct words within the brackets. The gardener planted the daisies in neat ROWS, rows. Students are not ALLOWED allowed to leave the school without permission. The children were delighted when their THEIR school closed for the day due to the rain. Number 4, the pirate decided to bury BURY the treasure on a deserted island. Number 5, we were about to board BOARD the train when we realized that Manish was missing. Number 6, Pia hurt herself when she tried to move the BOULDER, boulder. Can you hear HEAR? Clearly, this phone line is quite bad. Amarjit waited for more than an HOURR. Grammar fun. Children, you can write question, define verb, give examples. A verb is a word that shows action. Example, chose, laugh, dance, dream, stamps. Now fill in the blanks with verbs. Raindrops, falls, FALL, fall. Raindrops, fall. Car tires, screech, SCREECH. Alarm, beeps, BEEPS. Horns, honk, HONK. Sun rises, RISES. Door, creak, CREAK, creak. Exercise E, underline the verbs in these sentences. The peacock is dancing. Underline is dancing in the rain. Number 2, the girls watched, underline watched, a movie at the mall. Bijoy drove, underline drove, slowly through the crowded streets. Mr. Nadia and his friends meet, underline meet, at least once a month. Notice how verbs change when ing is added to them. Drink, when we add ing, it will become drinking. Feel, feeling. Change, changing. Sarah is choosing a dress for her birthday party. Choose is written, we will add ing. Number 2, the children are playing in the park. We will be waiting at the station when grandma's train arrives. The bananas in that bowl are rotting. Will you be going to see the match today? Mita is writing a poem. With this, children, we have completed this poem. You should revise and learn and note down your work neatly. May God bless you all. Thank you.